Hari Om to everybody. We were lucky enough to come about knowing our Harshji's Yoga Sadhana Ashram in the early 90s, probably 98, I would think. My daughter found out about the Yoga Sadhana Ashram. At that time, it was in Bartlett, and Harshji and Mike Ji taught us in their basement. So we had our lessons early. Then after 2-3 years, Harshji said, you should also start teaching. You've learned something, give this gift to the rest of the world. So this 5,000 year science starting from Bhagavan Patanjali, and it is being spread around and through Gurujis and through Harshjis and Mike, and we have been able to teach it every day regularly. Now, this is one ritual. Yoga is one ritual. We do all kinds of ritual. Hinduism, Christianity, Muslim, all religions talk about ritual. But yoga is one ritual which takes us from ritual to spiritual. Now, how do you get from ritual to spiritual? We live in this multi-pointed, multi-focused, and multitasking world. We drive and we want to text. We want to talk on the phone. The yoga is one ritual. It says go inwards. Be concentrating. Meditation, for example, tells you take your focus inwards, understand yourself, and that is what this ritualism. So continue to do this ritual every day, and you'll automatically become spiritual, going beyond your body, mind, and intellect to know yourself. And we're lucky enough to have this ritual and practice every day. Now, so the Guruji's spirit lives on through us, all of us, those who are doing yoga and those who are coming here on every Saturday, Sunday. Thank you, and Hari Om.